What's up, guys? It's JJ here, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how to make a Google form. Before we start, go sub to my channel. We're literally so close to 30 subs, so go sub there. So the first thing you need to do, look up Google Forms. Once you're here, you want to go to Create Form. If it doesn't show up what you need here, go back and press that. It'll probably lead back to here, but I'm going to show y'all what I do. So, boom, I go to the Discord. And then I go to this server, Void Tag server. I'll put that in the description. Then I will go to, where is it at? Here, I'll go our DMs, but I'll put it down in the description. Right here, Google Forms. Once you have the Google Forms, this is what shows up for me because what we were doing or what I was doing. But once you're at where you need to be, it'll show like, I already got a response for somebody that wants to do it. But if you're here, press this right here. And then it will show you all these. And whatever you want to do or make, just press blank form. And then start creating all your stuff. If you want more tutorials on how to do stuff like that, just tell me or DM me in Discord. I'll put my Discord down in the description. And I'll put Void Tag's Discord in the description. So subscribe, like, and I'll see you boys in the next video. Peace.